Now we're learning a special type of factoring called difference of squares. You only use this when you see two terms and both terms are perfect squares with a minus sign in between. A difference of squares always follows the same pattern. If you have a squared minus b squared, it factors into a minus b times a plus b. This rule never changes. Example 1. We're given x squared minus 49. X squared is a perfect square, so a is x. Forty-nine is also a perfect square because 7 times 7 equals 49. So b is 7. Now use the pattern. That means x minus 7 times x plus 7. This is the fully factored answer. Now we have 9x squared minus 16. Nine x squared is a perfect square because it comes from 3x times 3x. 16 is also a perfect square because 4 times 4 equals 16. So here a is 3x and b is 4. Use the same pattern again. That gives 3x minus 4 times 3x plus 4. And that is the factored form. Pause the video and try solving these examples independently. Then press play to watch the complete solution unfold step by step on the screen. Difference of squares is easy when you remember this. Two squares minus sign always factor as minus then plus. That's it.